Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change notification pop-up style from detail to our brief one. By default it should be brief, but if for whatever reason the other option is selected, where to find this option to go back to our default one. Settings, of course, notifications, and here we have our notification pop-up style. When we go here, as you can see, we have our detailed selected. We're interested in this. This is default one. It should be turned on by default. We can, of course, customize it using these options right here, but we are interested in a clear and clean default settings. So nothing was changed here. No need to save, just back out from this menu. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.